Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to delete all photos on Facebook at once. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to your Facebook account, then click on your profile, and after that click on these three dots right here, click on it. Then here, as you can see, you have this option, activity log. Tap on it, then click on your Facebook activity, then scroll down until you find this option right here, manage posts, and this includes all of your posts, including videos, photos, and even regular posts. Click on manage posts. Now click on filter, then tap on categories. After that, you will have to choose your posts, photos, and videos. Click on it. Then click on all. By this way, you will clear or delete all the posts, photos, and videos. Then click on recycle bin or archive in order to permanently delete them. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.